Hello, it's Andrew at a very damp August day here at Burncoose Nurseries, and I'm standing in front of a couple of beautiful Hibiscus moscheutos, I think it is. Starry Night on my left here, and Planet Griotte on my right. Fabulous hibiscus, and they're native to America, in an area from Massachusetts down to Alabama. So that's, if your geography is good from America, you'll know exactly where these plants are growing. So these beautiful hibiscus are, they're described as a herbaceous perennial, and they like very moist, fertile soil, and it suggests they'll almost grow in quite very damp soil, such like that of a hosta. The beauty of these is they've got these beautiful dinner plate starry flowers. They are really, look at that, as big as my hand, and we've seen actual bigger ones on them this year. A great addition to your herbaceous border. They do need full sun, so they're one of these obscure plants which need full sun and very moist soil. So this hibiscus would be an addition to anybody's herbaceous border, and the beauty of these is that planted in the right position, and once they're established, they will tolerate a very small amount of frost, but they need to be established first, and they'll also tolerate, once established, a little bit of drought. So very vigorous in a pot, which is also a good sign to show you that a plant will be durable in the garden. And I'm going to leave you with these two beauties today on a damp day here at Burncoose. Hibiscus Starry Night, Hibiscus Planet Griotte, and it's Hibiscus, if I say it right, moscheutos.